I've flown all over the world for free to places like Ireland, Italy, Denmark, France, and more. And today I'm going to teach you how you can get free flights for life too. Hey guys, I'm Indigo from the Indigo Sahara travel blog, where we help hundreds of thousands of travel lovers just like you make their travel dreams a reality through budget travel tips and destination guides. And I'm so excited to finally be here on YouTube. So be sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future travel hacking tips. Without further ado, let's get into how you can get free flights for life. The best and easiest way to book flights for free is through a little process called travel hacking. Travel hacking refers to the responsible use of travel credit card opening bonuses that you earn with everyday purchases like gas, groceries, clothes, etc. to redeem for free flights. Now that's a mouthful, so let's break it down. The 6 steps to travel hacking are: open a travel credit card that offers a large opening bonus, ideally over 50,000 points. Earn the opening bonus with everyday expenses such as groceries and gas. Nothing more, nothing less. Pay off the card in full every month. That's super important. Redeem the opening bonus for free flights. Close the card account. And repeat steps 1 through 5 with a new card. I've personally been able to get countless free flights by travel hacking. In the past year alone, I've gotten well over $4,000 worth of flights for free and been to over 10 different countries, again, for free, because I took advantage of the opening bonuses that travel credit cards have to offer. So what are these opening bonuses? When you open a travel credit card, there's typically some sort of bonus that the credit card offers to incentivize you to actually use the card and put purchases on the card. The bonuses usually consist of a certain amount of bonus miles earned for a certain amount of money that you spend in a certain amount of time. For example, a credit card company may offer 70,000 bonus points if you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months. These 70,000 bonus miles equate to at least $700 worth of flights. Even more if you transfer points. That is easily a round-trip flight to Europe. Generally speaking, for every 10,000 points you earn, that equals about $100 worth of flights. But again, it could be even worth more if you transfer points, which we can talk about in another video. Transfer points aside, to redeem your miles, all you have to do is go onto your credit card's online banking software, click book a trip or redeem points. There's usually something along those lines, and you can redeem your points, your opening bonus offer for free flights. All you need to do then, after you redeem those bonus miles, is close the card account before the annual fee is due and start again with a new card. Now you may be thinking, is this girl crazy? I thought credit cards were bad. Is this gonna hurt my credit score? Is this even legal? And these are all valid questions, but I can assure you that it is legal and that it actually has the potential to increase your credit score if you do it the right way. As a little side note disclaimer, travel hacking is not for you if you are in debt other than your mortgage, you live outside your means and have a tendency to overspend, or you're bad at meeting deadlines and due dates. Because if you fall under one of these categories, then yes, travel hacking can have a negative impact on your credit score. But if you consider yourself to be disciplined, good with money and budgeting, and overall very organized, then not only will travel hacking enable you to get free flights for life, but it also has the potential to increase your credit score. Now, to be sure that you're one of the lucky people like me that sees an increase in their credit score by doing travel hacking the right way, I have a free downloadable cheat sheet in the description below that lists the 8 essential travel hacking rules that you can follow to make sure you don't see a negative impact on your credit score. But to sum up the rules pretty quickly, basically always pay your card off in full every month by the payment deadline, and never spend more than you have in cash. If you miss payment deadlines or rack up credit card debt, you will never come out ahead when it comes to free flights. No amount of free flights are worth debt. Please do not do that. And that wraps up this week's video. So now my question for you is, if you could travel anywhere in the world for free, where would you go? Let me know in the comments below because I genuinely love hearing about people's dream trips. Don't forget to download my free travel hacking cheat sheet in the description below so you can start travel hacking and getting free flights for life. And be sure to hit subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future travel hacking tips, including my next video, which is all about the best travel credit cards. Thanks for watching. Ciao!